We are welcome to today's JAMB mathematics class. We have a question on polynomial to solve, and before we solve it, please, do you have your child having problem with mathematics? Do you have your child having problem with physics, English, chemistry, financial accounting? Please, I will tell you to enroll to Ultimate Scholars Academy. We are located in Area Career Estate, Soka. So we are giving you the best of the academics. So let's solve this polynomial question on quadratic equation, quadratic expression together. We have factorized completely 4a squared minus 12ab minus c squared plus 9b squared. We have the options given to us. This is JAMB 2021 question 24. Solution. So what we are going to do first is we are going to rearrange the question. We are going to rearrange the question to a solvable questions, to a solvable factorization. So we have, please let's note it. We have the variables that we have there. We have variable a, b, we have c. So let's put it together. This has a, this has ab, and then this is c. This is a different entirely variable. So let's pick b. So this is connected with ab, that is 12ab. So let's add it to this. So let's do our rearrangement. We have 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared. Naturally, we can solve this using simple factorization method. Then we add what? The last one, which is what? C squared. So let's solve this using factorization method. That is 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared. Then we derive our answers to be what? 2a minus 3b all squared. So if that, the way I derived my answer is not clear to you, then let me do it for you here very fast. We have 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared. Then we multiply the variables of a square and 9 together, and that gives us what? 36. Then we look for the sum of the product of the factor of 36. That will give us minus 12. So that is what we have: 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and then we have 6 and 6. So which of these, if we add or subtract together, will give us minus 12, and that is what? 6 and 6. Negative 6, negative 6. We have 4a squared minus 12ab will be, instead of writing using minus 12ab, then we substitute it by minus 6ab minus 6ab, which will give us minus 12ab. That is the essence of looking for the sum of the product of the factors of the coefficient of ab. So we have plus 9b squared. So we put this into bracket. We have 4a squared minus 6ab close brackets minus 6ab. If this is negative, this one will also be negative. So we have, because if we open the brackets, minus times minus will give us plus. So we can then factorize. We can look for the common factor. What is the common factor we have here? 2a. We have this will give us 2a minus what? 3b minus what can go? We have 3b can go. We have 2a minus 3b. So that is what, if we factorize, this is common. We have what? 2a minus 3b, and then we have what? 2a minus 3b. So that is 2a minus 3b all squared. 2a minus 3b all squared minus c squared. So now we have 2a minus 3b all squared minus c squared. This one, we have this formula. This is what we call difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. So our difference of two squares, if we have x squared minus y squared, this one will give us what? X minus y, x plus y. So we have what? This is, let's take this as x, this one as y. So this is x squared minus y squared. Difference of two squares. Using difference of two square principle, then we have what? That will be what? 2a minus 3b. That is what? All square minus c square will be equals to what? 2a minus 3b minus c in a big bracket, and then we have 2a minus 3b plus c. That is the difference of two squares. So we have what? Just like we have x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y, x plus y. 2a minus 3b all square minus c square. We have 2a minus 3b minus c, and then 2a minus 3b plus c. So if we open the bracket, we have our answer to be 2a minus 3b minus c, and then we have 2a minus 3b plus c, and then we have our correct answer. This is our final answer. We have it in option A. Option A is our correct answer. Thank you.